In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to flip the FaceTime camera on an iPhone or iPad running iOS 12 or later. Whether you're new to FaceTime or just not quite sure how to toggle the camera view, I'm here to help you navigate this small but useful feature. Let's dive right in. To begin, make sure you have the FaceTime app ready on your device. You'll need to start a video call to access the camera flip feature. You can do this by simply tapping on the FaceTime app, selecting a contact, and then initiating a video call. Once you're in the call, this is where the magic happens. Now, focus your attention on your screen, give it a gentle tap once, and you'll see the in-call controls appear. These controls will provide you with a variety of options, including the one we're interested in today, the camera flip feature. Take a close look and you'll notice an icon with a camera surrounded by circular arrows. This is the camera flip icon. Tap on this camera flip icon confidently. What this does is allow your device to switch between the front-facing and rear cameras. This is especially handy whether you want to show your surroundings to the other person or simply adjust the view during a call. When you tap the icon, you might wonder how quickly does it change. Generally, it should switch almost instantly. However, technology being what it is, sometimes there might be a little glitch or a delay. If you find the camera hasn't switched as expected, just tap the icon again and it should flip over as desired. One of the great things about this feature is its flexibility. You can switch back and forth between cameras as much as you like during the call. So if you flipped the camera to show something and now wish to switch back to your face, simply tap the icon again at any point in the conversation. Thus, you're never locked into one camera view and can tailor the visual experience to match your conversation needs. And there you have it. Flipping the camera on FaceTime is straightforward once you know what to look for and where to tap. It's a small feature, but it can make a big difference in how you use FaceTime, especially in dynamic conversations where visual context often matters. I hope this quick tutorial clears up any confusions and helps you make the most of your FaceTime calls. Thanks for tuning in and feel free to leave any questions you might have in the comments section below. Until next time, happy chatting on FaceTime.